Hello children, welcome back once again. So here I am again came up with a new quiz session. So this quiz session is from your chapter Manipulating Images Using GIMP. So let's start with the first question. The keyboard shortcut to create a new image dialog box is it's Control plus N. You can open images at the same time while using GIMP. How many images you can open at the same time? It will be multiple. The dash tool allows you to select areas with similar colors. Areas with similar colors, it selects by color. The drawing mascot of GIMP is called. In TuxPen there is a penguin mascot now. So in GIMP also it is known as Wilbur. There are dash standard windows available within the main GIMP window. How many standard windows? 3. The dash tool allows you to select adjacent areas on the basis of color. Adjacent areas, it will be fuzzy select. GIMP allows you to dash your images. It allows us to edit our images. You cannot dash using GIMP. Create new image. We cannot create new image. The dash tool allows you to select a freehand area in an image using a pointer while holding down the left mouse button. Freehand area image, so it will be free select. The keyboard shortcut to save a file is, we all know that, Control plus S. The tool allows you to fill the selected area of your image with the current foreground color. It will be bucket fill. The keyboard shortcut to open the Open Image dialog box is Control plus O. When you start the GIMP program and image window appears on the screen, which a dash image window means it's empty image window. The dash tool allows you to select a circular or elliptical area in an image. It will be ellipse select. The dash displays name of your image title bar. You can use the dash tool to add text to your image in the form of a layer. You can use the dash tool to add text to your image in the form of a layer. It's text. The dash tool allows you to work only with the selected region in an image or layer without affecting the unselected region. It's selection tool. The dash tool allows you to select a rectangular area in an image. Rectangular area means rectangle. The dash window displays an image in GIMP. Which window? Obviously image window will display an image. We enter the dash of the image in the Create New Image dialog box, but we enter the height and width of the image. The dash tool allows you to select shapes using intelligent edge fitting. It will be, any guesses? It will be Caesar select. So we have completed all the questions. So from next day we will start our new chapter. Okay, our new chapter. So till then, stay safe and stay at home and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.